In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart or reset a Weebly website. Whether you're finding that your current design isn't quite working out or you just want a fresh start, this guide will show you how to easily manage those adjustments. Let's dive right in. To begin with, make sure you are logged into your Weebly account. Once you're in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your website projects. From here, you need to navigate to the Overview section. The Overview section provides a quick glance at all your website details and options, and it's an ideal place to access all the necessary controls for managing your site. If your intention is to restart or reset an existing site, go to the My Website option available from the dashboard. This option allows you to quickly access your current sites, offering customization settings, content management, and functionality tweaks. Should you wish to create a brand new site from scratch, simply click on the Add Site option, and this will initiate a new project setup. Alternatively, if you're looking to redesign an existing site, you can click on Design Your Website. This action will lead you into the design interface where you can work on changing themes, color schemes, and overall design layouts. Once you're in the design interface, you're free to start crafting your site's new look by clicking on Design Now. This option gives you a wide array of creative tools at your disposal, which helps bring life to your vision and ideas. If you decide that you need to completely remove a site, perhaps one that's outlived its usefulness, or is just cluttering your list of projects, return to the My Website section. Here you can select from the list of sites you wish to delete. Confirmation of this action is necessary. Safeguard against accidental deletions by clicking on Delete Site, and then confirming your choice again. This two-step method ensures there's no mistake made in permanently removing your site. Once a site is deleted, you're free to start anew by creating a brand new site. Simply return to the beginning process where you clicked on Add Site or Design Now. This freedom allows you to continuously evolve your web presence by refreshing content, design, and structure as you see fit. By now, you should have a comprehensive understanding of how to reset a Weebly website. The process is straightforward, and with a few clicks, you can either revamp your existing site or start from scratch. Whether you're adjusting your site's design or starting completely fresh, managing your web endeavors is now easier than ever. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Happy designing!